Compact and manoeuvrable, our trucks are strong enough for regular retail use or equally suited for warehouses. The base is made from tongue-and-grooved timber deck with end panels, and the welded steel frames make them not only very strong but very durable. With a 150 kg capacity, this box design is ideal for carrying loads in a large range of situations. Balanced on a central axis, they can be turned on their own strength and are steerable from both ends. The truck glides on 4-ply pneumatic tired wheels on roller bearings.